Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change your country or region on DYON Movie Smart TV. From the home screen of your TV, navigate to the sidebar and open Settings in it. Then in Settings, we're gonna have to navigate down to System menu, and in System menu, scroll down to Language and Location. Open this menu, then go to Location, which is the first option on the list, and select your country from this country list. And once you select a different country, you're gonna have to agree to the privacy policy and license agreement that apply for this country, and then click Agree to proceed. And after that, your country and therefore your recommendations and everything, your channels and apps, app names will be changed on your TV. And that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.